One of the big promises of Donald Trump's campaign is his immigration policy, deporting illegal immigrants, and his plan to build a wall between the U.S. and Mexico. And now a lot of people are concerned that they'll be sent back to their home countries. According to an article from Bloomberg, immigration lawyers have been bombarded with phone calls checking the status of their cases.
So joining us to talk more about this is immigration attorney Ann Massey Batmus. Good morning, and thank you so much for coming in to weigh in on this topic. First of all, have you received phone calls from folks who are concerned now that this seems to be the way that we're moving, the direction our country's moving in with the policy on immigration?
Oh, yes, Layla. Phone calls and a lot of emails as well.
So what are people saying, and what are their questions? Well,
they're really pretty much saying, I'm scared, you know, and that they just really want to know what can we do, what can we expect. My answers are, we'll have to wait and see.
Wow. Well, what can they do then? I mean, do you just have to play the waiting game right now, or are you trying to lay out concrete steps that people can go through?
Well, it really pretty much is a waiting game because, you know, we still have some time before the actual inauguration. Yeah. And then after that, it will take some time for those things to happen. There are some concerns as far as the people who actually have had the what we call DACA, which was the executive order by President Obama, which allowed them to stay here. That's a big concern for many. You know, can we stay here after President Trump becomes president? Right. And so, you know, basically, unfortunately, we just have to wait and see.
So what's your advice for somebody at home who's watching, who may be in this situation, maybe waiting for their immigration status, you know, to take effect? What's your advice for them?
Well, if they're in the process for immigration status, and there are many, many ways that could be happening. Yeah. Basically, again, my advice is to, of course, you know, just make sure you're aware of your case, keep track of it, and really, if you are in an immigration process, you should be okay, and there really can't be a change that happens that quickly.
Right. So for the average person, though, how long does that take for the status to get approved?
It's kind of hard to say average, but you know, it just really depends on the situation. But it can be anywhere from 3 months to 15, 20 years.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah. All right. We thank you so much for coming in this morning and weighing in on that.